Hello students, today we shall discuss about benzoin condensation. So let's see what is benzoin condensation. The self-condensation reaction of an aromatic aldehyde specifically catalyzed by cyanide ion to give an alpha-hydroxy ketone, a benzoin, is usually referred to as benzoin condensation. The reaction is carried out by boiling an alcoholic solution of the aldehyde containing a small amount of NaCN or KCN. Now, let's see the example of benzoin condensation. Here, we take 2 moles of benzaldehyde. When we treated these 2 mole of benzaldehyde by CN minus water, ethanol, and we give heat here, we get pH, CHOH, C double bond O, pH. This is benzoin. So, this is the example of benzoin condensation. Now, let's see the mechanism of benzoin condensation. Now, in step 1, here we take benzaldehyde and cyanide ion. This cyanide ion acts as a nucleophile and it attacks to this carbonyl carbon and this bond shifts from here to here. And as a result we get pH CCNH-O-. Now here this bond breaks and this hydrogen is free now. Now this free hydrogen is attacked to this negative charge and we get pH COH CN and here a negative charge arises. Now next, so students, in step 2 we take pH COH CN minus and we take here the another molecule of benzaldehyde pH C double bond OH. Now this negative charge attacks to this carbonyl carbon and this bond shifts from here to here. And as a result we get pH CCNOH CH Now this acidic hydrogen shifts from here to here. And as a result we get pH CO CN COH H pH. Now this negative charge shifts from here to here and this bond breaks. Cyanide ion is a good leaving group, so this bond breaks so easily. And as a result we get pH C double bond O CHOH pH. This is benzoin. So students, this is the mechanism of benzoin condensation. Now let's see why the cyanide ion regarded as an unique catalyst for this reaction. Now let's see the answer. The cyanide ion regarded as an unique catalyst for this reaction because it is a good nucleophile. Next is it is a good leaving group. And the next is by its electron withdrawing ability, it increases the acidity of the aldehydic hydrogen and promotes the formation of the carbon ion. For these 3 reasons, we use the cyanide ion for unique catalyst in benzoin condensation reaction. Now, let's see some application of benzoin condensation reaction. Here, we take benzoin. Now, we treated this benzoin by sodium amalgam in water and as a result we get pH CHOH pH. Now, next we react benzoin by zinc amalgam in HCl in ethanol and we get steel bean. What is the structure of steel bean? pH CH double bond CH, pH. So we synthesis toluene from benzoin using zinc amalgam in HCl in ethanol. Now, if we treated this benzoin by hydrogen and nickel, what we get? We get dibenzyl. And what is its structure? Its structure is pH, CH2, CH2, pH. Now, we react this benzoin by tin amalgam in HCl, and as a result we get pH, C double bond O, pH, CH2, C double bond O, pH. This is known as deoxybenzoin. Now, we treated this benzoin by HNO3 and we get benzyl. What is the structure of benzyl? pH, C double bond O, C double bond O, pH. This is the structure of benzyl. When we treated benzoin by HNO3, we get benzyl. Now further, if we treated benzyl by hydroxide ion in water and we give heat, we get PH2, COH, COH. This is known as benzylic acid. So, how we get benzylic acid? At first we treated benzoin by HNO3 and we get benzyl. Then we treated benzyl by OH minus and H2O and we get benzylic acid. Now, let's see the concept of Ampalang in benzoin condensation. So students, what is Ampalang? Ampalang is a German word for polarity reversal. Now, let's see the concept. In benzoin condensation, the usual mode of reaction of an aldehyde is reversed. Now, normally the carbonyl carbon atom of an aldehyde is partially positive and it is electrophilic and consequently it reacts with nucleophiles. Now, when cyanide ion adds to the aldehyde and the aldehydic hydrogen migrates to the anionic oxygen, the same carbon atom becomes negatively charged and react with electrophiles. This reversal of polarity of the carbonyl carbon atom is called Ampalang, and this Ampalang is a German word for polarity reversal. Are you understand the concept of Ampalang in benzoin condensation? So students, it's all about benzoin condensation. If you want to know more reaction, then check the description box. You will find more reaction